Nature-inspired urban living, a tropical, modern home design, blends contemporary minimalism with the beauty of nature. Featuring open spaces, lush garden views, and sustainable materials, this design creates a serene, eco-friendly home that fosters a deep connection between indoor and outdoor living in an urban setting. Minimalist modern interior that seamlessly connects with nature, featuring clean lines, open spaces, and large windows framing garden views. Natural materials and neutral tones create a calm, harmonious atmosphere, blending indoor and outdoor living effortlessly. A modern tropical facade featuring minimalist shapes seamlessly blending wood, natural stone, and glass elements. The design incorporates sunshades for heat protection, green balconies with lush plants, and a rustic charm that balances elegance and functionality. The result is a harmonious fusion of nature and architecture, creating a refreshing urban sanctuary. Outdoor living space serves as an extension of the interior, seamlessly blending comfort and nature. Featuring cozy seating areas, a dining zone, and lush greenery, it's perfect for relaxation and social gatherings. Natural materials, ambient lighting, and garden views create a serene, resort-like atmosphere. An open-concept living room seamlessly connects with the dining and kitchen areas, creating a spacious and airy environment. Natural light, clean lines, and neutral tones enhance the minimalist design, while large windows and greenery blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a warm, inviting atmosphere. Dining and kitchen areas are designed with an open layout, offering seamless flow and functionality. Large glass windows and sliding doors frame lush garden views, bringing natural light and greenery indoors. The space blends modern minimalism with warm, natural materials, creating an inviting and tranquil atmosphere. Minimalist modern bedroom featuring clean lines and a neutral color palette, creating a serene and uncluttered space. Large windows offer a stunning garden view, allowing natural light to fill the room. The design focuses on comfort, simplicity, and a seamless connection to nature for a peaceful retreat. modern bathroom with minimalist design elements. Clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials like stone and wood create a calming atmosphere. Large windows provide garden views, enhancing the sense of openness, while efficient lighting and stylish fixtures offer both functionality and elegance. This tropical urban house design seamlessly blends modern minimalism with nature-inspired architecture, creating a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. With open layouts, garden views, and sustainable materials, it offers a serene living experience that prioritizes comfort, functionality, and a deep connection to the natural environment.